Glasses cleaner, sourced from the highest quality microfiber that absorbs and removes dust, oil, smudges, fingerprints, dirt, and more. Leaves no scratches, streaks, marks, or lint behind. Makes for the perfect eyeglass cleaner and stocking stuffer. Screen cleaner, our microfiber cloth accommodates all your screen cleaning needs. It's the perfect eyeglass cleaning cloth, glasses wipes, glass cleaning cloth, lens cleaning cloth, screen cleaning cloth, and even TV cleaning cloth. Quality protection, each MagicFiber lint-free cloth comes in its own poly bag so that they are always new and ready to use. Includes MagicFiber Microfiber cleaning cloth, 5 black, 1 gray, 6x7 inches, 15 cm x 18 cm. Designed for all products, the delicate craftsmanship of our microfiber cleaning cloth allows for the most versatile use cases. It can be used on any delicate surface such as LCD, OLED, laptop, phone, car, tablet, DVD, mirror, glass, glasses, cameras, lenses, gaming, toys and more. MagicFiber, magical results for the things you care about most. In the description to get this product today at the best price. Glasses cleaner, sourced from the highest quality microfiber that absorbs and removes dust, oil, smudges, fingerprints, dirt, and more. Leaves no scratches, streaks, marks, or lint behind.